Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change your ringtone on the iPhone 17 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings app, and now let me go back to the main page. Here, you should be here. Now let's scroll a bit down until we see the sounds and haptics. So they are right here, they are in the third section and they are between the notifications and the focus. Now let's click it, and here we can go over and select our ringtone. Now as you guys can see, I am using the steps one, so this is how it sounds. Now the default one is the reflection, and now here we can change our ringtone. Also, you guys can go over to the tone store, and here you guys can buy the ringtones. So I have it in the Polish currency. Now 3 of it is basically like 75 cents, and this one is $1. So here you guys can definitely find something for yourself. Now what you guys want to do is either buy it or you guys can get some for free. But all you have to do is get either MP3 file or the GarageBand file for the iOS, and then share it and save it as a ringtone. So as you guys can see, I have the folder, and now all that's left to do is select, let's say, GarageBand. Here we have the first ringtone, and all we have to do is hold it. Now click on share, and here, after downloading it from the iCloud, we will be able to set it as a ringtone. So all we have to do is click more here and then click use as a ringtone. So you need to make sure that this file is less than 30 seconds, and then you will be able to use your ringtone for free. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.